Okay, this is my third attempt in taking this video. We're back on Megali Petra. Sea turtles started nesting much earlier this season. We placed these loggers here as a test on the 12th of May. And I don't have any other loggers available right now because the components are still coming, they're in the post. So I placed all 6 loggers here as a test. But just a few days later, on the 15th of May, we had the first nest for the season. This is very early. Normally they nest after the 1st of June here in Kefalonia, but we attribute this to climate change. We started having lots of seasons lately that they start nesting much earlier, and we have a lot of nests during the season. That is not necessarily good for the turtles, and this is why we're doing this temperature research, but this is another story. So I came here. I didn't bring a tape or the measurements with me, but I remembered the location based on the left marker over there and the right marker, which is that rock. So somewhere in between the two, I had placed 3 pebbles on top of the loggers, and I found those 3 pebbles, and then I dug down and found the loggers. Now it's interesting that when I pulled them out, they were all still working except number 5, and you may be able to see that number 5 may have some condensation on it inside, and that could be the reason. It is working now. You may be able to see the LED flashing. No, maybe it's not visible on the camera, but I'm wondering whether it was actually working and I didn't notice it, or it started working with a vibration when I moved it out. We'll see when we retrieve the data. So let's go back in the lab.